This is how you can make your first Fortnite map. First thing you want to do is go under the island templates and select grid island. And I'm just going to name these obstacle course. After you click create, it's going to take a bit to load. After everything is done loading, you can just delete everything that's in the background folder. You can also delete water body and water zone. On the bottom left corner, open up content drawer and press on the Fortnite file. And then you can just search obstacle. And here you have many different colors to choose. If you want to do like one color, let's say for example I'm gonna use white, and you just want to find every part of the white, you can just right click on it, press the show in folder view, and there you go. We have all the white parts here. So let's start making an obstacle course. Let's first go with the floor. Let's make the spawn location, and let's go with this door. And now just place some walls. Okay, after you're done placing your walls around the spawn area, if you notice some of them are not rotated correctly. So if you go to rotate it, it's actually gonna snap here. So this is when you actually need to disable this Fortnite cell snapping. You just disable it and then rotate. So for the roof, I'm just gonna use the floor and then just rotate it. Now let's make the first stage. So you go one down. This is where you're gonna place your traps and just create a 1x1 box. Okay, there we go. The first stage is now done. It's just a single jump. And what you're gonna do next is go back to content drawer and under Fortnite search for trap. And then you place the damage trap down here. And that's all. And then you can do the next stage. I'm gonna do the same one as the one before, but instead of jumping, you're gonna need to walk across. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. You can also right click on the one that's already placed and open browse to asset, and there you go, you have this once again. And let's go with this railing here. Okay, now for the third stage, I'm gonna do one with a bouncer. I would recommend just going one higher so the player doesn't hit his head on the roof. And it's gonna be the end here. I'm actually gonna place another door here. Let's go back to placing the trap. I'm gonna place one on each one of these, and now we can place the bouncer. I mean, the only thing that's left now is you just want to place on this spawn, you want to place the player spawner. I'm just gonna place a couple of these. The only thing that you actually want to change is visible in game, turn off. And then you can also add checkpoints. Pretty sure it's called player checkpoint. Yeah, player checkpoint pad. So just place one on every stage. One thing that you should actually do is just rotate them towards the next stage, so when the player spawns, they don't go accidentally backwards. For the game to actually work, you're gonna need to change some island settings. Just open up island settings, and then max players, I'm gonna go with 16. You can change it to whatever you want. Islands matchmaking privacy, you can do party choice. I mean, I would recommend doing party choice. That's the best, because otherwise players might actually not play. Joining progress behavior, spawn immediately, override spawn immunity, and just set this to 1 or 0.1 seconds. Okay, the timer direction, you're gonna go count up. Okay, then starting health percentage 100, and then set max health to 1. And then allow building none. Hide build resource HUD, you can turn this on. And environment damage, turn this off. Always show nameplates, just do always show to all. Then scoreboard, you can do things like time alive and eliminated, so you can see how long people have been alive for or how many times they've died. And that's all. Okay, so now let's just test it. And that should respawn on the second stage. And now the bouncer also works. And if you want to learn how to add lucky blocks to your maps, click this video on the screen right now.